The completion of repair work on the National Stadium basketball courts has been further delayed with the discovery of a sewage problem at the facility and recent poor weather conditions. The work should have been completed this month, but authorities say they are now aiming for a December finish, especially with the impending return of the National Basketball League in January. Renovation and refurbishing work on the National Stadium basketball courts was scheduled for an October finish. But the discovery of a sewage problem at the facility, which has been traced to a manhole located directly beneath the courts, has resulted in a second delay since work started in March. Denzel Wilkes, general manager of the Sports Development Foundation, which is funding the repair work, says the National Water Commission has been addressing the issue in earnest, but are also being hampered by recent rains.
The only way to solve the problem would actually involve digging down to get to that manhole, and by then we had already completed the base works, as you can see, and so they have done that. In fact, they are actually at work even as we speak in addressing that problem.
But what about the complete removal of the manhole?
To remove it and replace it would be a huge task, which I am not so sure can be undertaken now.
Meanwhile, describing the delay as a tremendous setback, Interim Jamaica Basketball Association President Calvin Martin says it's more than just a court to the national basketball program.
And it will come back to be the place where the family of basketball persons will hang out. Also, it is where most of the major competitions in this region are kept. Church leagues and the community league, the SDC, when they have their community league, the finals are kept here, the Easter School League. So it is the era, and it is the era of that is culturally known for basketball, and we are eagerly awaiting its reopening.
And with the sewage delay in mind, Martin says they are wasting no time in finding alternative venues for the NBL, which returns in January.
We are in negotiations with the management of IPL, and with a view to getting alternate basketball match venue for the upcoming NBL, and we are in very advanced negotiations, and in a very short time we'll be able to tell Jamaica where it is that the NBL in the Southern Conference is going to be played. But we are very optimistic that we will have a good solution to that.
But Wilkes says work could not be completed by December.
So we're running pretty close to early December. That's what we anticipate now. The rest of the work that's left, of course, once we cover back this manhole, then we will have completed the base works, which were in fact completed. We are now in the process of acquiring the seating, and that had to be built to order, and it's almost complete, and before the end of October it should be here in Jamaica. The synthetic surface, we are in the process of selection. We are getting samples. In fact, just this week into next week we should be getting samples from the potential providers.
The renovation work is being done at a cost of 35 million Jamaican dollars.